let's put together the koala. Yeah. I will say that for something that's supposed to go into small spaces, there's a lot of room to open it up. Okay, so we got 2 pillows and a mattress slash couch cushion. Wheels? It's not wheels, it's feet. Makes a lot more sense. These guys. Some are yellow, some are black. I assume that's going to be. Oh, it's because of the 2 different lengths. The different parts. Didn't mention, I already unpacked the ottoman that just came in with its own box. Lid comes off, storage. And there are feet on the bottom. Instructions. I'm glad I opened this box first, unless there's instructions in every box. Okay. Connect the 2 arms to the backrest using the wedge brackets. Let's find them. It's the wedge bracket. 2 more pillows. Okay.
It's very crooked.
Yeah, I missed it. Screw baseboard with Velcro facing in onto frame using the longer thread legs in the order shown, saying to go around in that order. These curves go on the outside. It says go top, corner, bottom. Just FYI, that bottom one needs to be lifted up a little bit. Screw in connector plate using the shorter length thread leg. This goes on the inside of the couch. This goes under. Screw shorter legs into baseboard. I think we might be done. Let's lower it. Attach the mattress to frame using Velcro. I say my wife is right. That is a very low couch. So that, my friends, at least for today, my wife wanted to go to sleep and me wanting to get this done tonight. Small interruption, and then also me having to move really quietly. Still got done in about 45 minutes, including the unpacking. That is what she looks like. I gotta say, looks pretty cozy. My sister-in-law comes tomorrow. She'll have something to sleep in.
To the thunder, but I was sleeping.